Welcome to this video on the role of a full-stack software developer. We are exploring high-growth career paths in modern tech. The role of a developer is evolving. While once siloed into front-end or back-end, today's developers are end-to-end builders, working across cloud, mobile, web, and AI. Why choose the full-stack path? As industries digitize, full-stack developers are uniquely positioned to create the scalable, secure, and intuitive systems that every sector needs. Full-stack development covers every layer, building responsive web interfaces, crafting native mobile apps, managing cloud infrastructure, and integrating AI capabilities. To succeed, you'll need command across 5 interconnected domains: programming, cloud computing, agile development, performance optimization, and AI integration. The foundation is full-stack programming, which requires fluency across the entire application stack, from the user interface down to the database. This means mastering front-end frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular, alongside back-end languages such as Node.js, Python, or Go, and managing database design. The second core skill is cloud computing. Modern applications rely on distributed environments, so you must understand how to deploy, scale, and secure your systems. Core cloud competencies include containerization with Docker or Kubernetes, infrastructure as code, and managing CI/CD pipelines on platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Third is agile development. Because full-stack developers work within teams, agile practices ensure you remain aligned, adaptive, and effective at delivering value. Agile manifests through sprints, daily stand-ups, backlog refinement, and regular retrospectives, all of which foster fluid collaboration with product managers, designers, and QA. Skill number 4 is performance optimization. In a demanding digital world, building systems that maintain speed and reliability is a critical responsibility. Performance must be considered at every layer. Techniques include code splitting, database indexing, caching strategies, and load testing to ensure your application can handle scale. Finally, skill number 5 is AI and automation integration. This is now a core expectation, and developers who can weave intelligent tools into products gain a significant edge. AI integration involves connecting LLM APIs, automating workflows with tools like Zapier or custom scripts, and deploying machine learning models into live application logic. These 5 disciplines reinforce each other. Mastering one, such as performance optimization, inevitably deepens your proficiency across programming and cloud architecture. So, what does it actually take to get hired? Employers are looking for a unique blend of deep technical mastery and a broader product-oriented mindset. Hiring managers focus on a core technical bar, like framework proficiency and API design, while valuing soft skills like clear communication and the ability to handle ambiguity. From a hiring manager's perspective, they aren't just looking for someone to write code. They want developers who take ownership of the product and understand the why behind what they build. As you grow, your career path can evolve from junior roles under mentorship through mid-level ownership to senior-level architectural influence, and eventually staff or principal engineering. The career ladder isn't just a vertical climb. You might pivot into specialized leadership roles, such as engineering management, solutions architecture, DevOps, or even becoming a technical founder. Your day-to-day reality involves balancing focused deep work with collaborative sessions. Whether it's architecture discussions or sprint planning, your time is split between coding and communication. In a typical week, feature development is central. But active collaboration and strategic planning are what ensure that the work you ship successfully meets user needs. Demand is high across diverse industries. From fintech and healthcare to e-commerce and edtech, companies are seeking full-stack talent to build their digital platforms. The bigger picture is that digitization is still accelerating. Almost every industry is now software first, making full-stack developers the essential architects of this ongoing transformation. Within this landscape, code quality is paramount. Great developers focus on the craft, ensuring that their work remains readable, maintainable, and robust for the long term. Best practices like test-driven development, clean architecture, and active code reviews are the tools that ensure your output stands the test of time. Never forget that security is non-negotiable. Building a security-first mindset, from sanitizing inputs to managing secrets, is critical for any professional developer. Finally, view communication as a high-level technical skill. The ability to articulate complex designs or negotiate deadlines is often what differentiates senior engineers. To wrap up, your toolkit spans languages like TypeScript and Go, frameworks like Next.js, and essential cloud and collaboration tools that power modern engineering teams. To level up your skills, focus on a deliberate learning strategy. Build real projects to understand how things work, seek out code reviews to improve, and study core concepts to apply them to your future work. Continue building and learning by sharing your projects on GitHub, contributing to open source, following engineering blogs from leading tech companies, and pursuing relevant cloud certifications. For hiring managers, set realistic role expectations by clearly defining the tech stack, using practical assessments that mirror real-world tasks, and investing in structured onboarding. Full-stack development remains a versatile and future-proof path. Those who combine deep technical expertise with a product-oriented mindset will continue to thrive in the industry. Thank you for following this series. Use this guide as your roadmap to growth, whether you are a developer refining your craft or a hiring manager building your team. This program was brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Paths series.